Shopify just released Sidekick on Apple Watch, and it could matter for store owners who use Shopify admin every day. The update is simple. Merchants can ask Sidekick to look up business information directly from Apple Watch. So instead of looking at this as just another feature, think of it as part of Shopify's bigger Spring 2026 push toward faster selling, cleaner operations, and smarter commerce. The big lesson is simple. Shopify is turning admin work into conversational work. This can help merchants reduce manual work, improve the customer experience, or make better decisions from inside Shopify. Check whether the update is available for your store, your plan, your country, and your sales channels. If you manage clients, create a checklist and review which stores could benefit from it first. Do not copy settings blindly from another store. Shopify features often depend on market, plan, payment provider, fulfillment setup, or app compatibility. Test before rolling out. That is the quick breakdown of Sidekick on Apple Watch. Follow Ecom Premium for more Shopify Spring 2026 updates explained in simple language.